Hello and welcome to Mangley Town and another unboxing. This time just to show the fact that I don't just buy Hornby and Lima and the occasional Bachmann. We do have a Dapol class 121-122 diesel rail car. This is the one in the Railtrack Clearing the Way livery, and it is Dapol item 4D-009-009. So we'll open this up and we'll take a look at it. As you can see from Dapol, it is pretty well packaged, all foam inlay in the box as well, and you've also got extra accessories. So I'll pause you for a mo as I carefully squeeze this out the plastic. And as you can see, never mind the extra detail pack, but being from Dapol, this is already highly detailed. All that undercarriage detail. This is running number 977723, and although I particularly collect Network Rail more, and this isn't Network Rail yellow, it was something I did like the look of, and it's got a damn good weight to it as well. Obviously it's got another running number on the end, 960021, and there's still plenty of detail that's out of sight right underneath. So we'll pop that on the test track for a quick run. And here she comes. Again, brand new, so nice, slow, easy control on it. Obviously a bit of judder there at slow speed, and the lights are flashing. Definitely on properly. Better at decent speed. Might just literally be it needs to be run in and it'll be a bit smoother. Doesn't look so flickery there, but the camera is definitely picking up a flicker. But what we'll do is we'll have a closer look, because I'm also well impressed by the cab detail in there. So let's go in. So let's see if we can get it to light up a bit. I think that's one of the most bits of cab detail I've seen in a loco. The wheel and everything in there, and controls, and that is pretty fab. Nice crisp livery as well. As I say, I normally collect Network Rail yellow, but I still thought this would be a nice addition to the maintenance fleet. Plenty of detail on the sides there as well, and obviously, as you can see, it lights up inside. It's also got good directional lighting as well. Yep, that's all working fine. As I say, it's just that cab flicker. Doesn't seem to be juddery moving at all, so I don't think it's the current going through the track. But it might do better on a proper layout than just a bit of test track. But I hope you've liked the look at that. Don't forget, check out the rest of the channel, and I hope you hit subscribe as well, and I'll see you again soon.